In this video, let us look into some of the fundamental trigonometric identities. Well, these trigonometric identities that we are going to see now are mostly used in solving problems, and some of them have already been discussed in the previous video in those trigonometric ratios. Well, one of the fundamental trigonometric identities is sine theta equals 1 by cosecant theta. Now, if you're wondering how this is, sine theta is opposite by hypotenuse, and cosecant theta is hypotenuse by opposite. So, therefore sine theta equals 1 by cosecant theta. Again, this is pretty much shown in the previous video. And this is also equal to, it is also the same as cosecant theta equals 1 by sine theta. So, let me write that here too. So, or cosecant theta equals 1 by sine theta. And another identity can be cos theta equals 1 by secant theta, or secant theta equals 1 by cos theta. And another one would be tan theta equals 1 by cot theta, or cot theta equals 1 by tan theta. And then we have tan theta equals sine theta divided by cos theta. Now, if you're wondering how this is, you will see that, you can easily prove. Just substitute opposite by hypotenuse in the place of sine theta and adjacent by hypotenuse in the place of cos theta. The hypotenuses get cancelled, and then you get opposite by adjacent, which is equal to tan theta. So that's how you get tan theta equals sine theta by cos theta. Let me quickly show you here how is it. Sine theta is opposite by hypotenuse, and cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse, which is equal to opposite by hypotenuse multiplied by the reciprocal of the denominator, right? So hypotenuse by adjacent. So hypotenuse gets cancelled, and you get opposite by adjacent, which is nothing but tan theta. So that is how tan theta equals sine theta by cos theta. And then we have cot theta equal to cos theta by sine theta. Why do you think that is? It's the same thing as this. You just have to, check it out. Let's use it. I mean, cos theta is what? Adjacent by hypotenuse. Sine theta is opposite by hypotenuse. So now, simplify this further. We have adjacent by hypotenuse multiplied by the reciprocal of the denominator, which is hypotenuse by opposite. Hypotenuse gets cancelled, and it is adjacent by opposite. So adjacent by opposite is nothing but cot theta. So this is how we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fundamental trigonometric identities. Well, it's not over yet. We've got some more. So let's look into what are those. So we have another one, which is sine square theta plus cos square theta equals 1. This is one of the identities. Don't worry about how it came. We will definitely prove it in one of the forthcoming videos. But you have to really remember this. You have to learn this by heart, and you need to have it in your fingertips to apply in one of the many problems that we are going to solve in the forthcoming videos. So sine square theta plus cos square theta equals 1 is one of the most basic trigonometric identities. Next one coming up is 1 plus tan square theta equals secant square theta. This is another one. We will definitely prove all these in the forthcoming videos. And another one is 1 plus cot square theta equals cosecant square theta. So these are the other 3 fundamental trigonometric identities which are really important in terms of solving problems based on trigonometric identities. So don't worry about how these things came about. We will solve it in the forthcoming videos, show you how these came about, prove it to you. Alright, so this concludes this particular video about the fundamental trigonometric identities. I'll see you in the forthcoming videos with the explanations as to, or proofs as to why sine square theta plus cos square theta equals 1, why 1 plus tan square theta equals secant square theta, and why 1 plus cot square theta equals cosecant square theta.